In previous videos, I have shown you our decentralized web server embedded in the Mythos blockchain that can be controlled by eWASM smart contracts. I have also shown you how Mythos validators and developers can register their digital identities with the blockchain to receive access to special features. And I demoed this with an Estonian digital ID card. Today we are taking both concepts one step further, and now Mythos is offering Open Authorization version 2 login capabilities, OAuth2. This means that validators can choose to provide OAuth2 functionality to users. So now you can log in with your Mythos blockchain identity into any site that supports Mythos as an OAuth provider. And right now you will see the process. We will be using this online tool for testing our OAuth2 server implementation provided by the chain. But before we try this out, we need to register the domain of this client with the chain. This is the domain of the client. So what we are doing here is constructing a transaction, registering the domain as a new OAuth2 client. And this registration can also be limited to client developers who have a registered digital ID. But this demo does not require this. So we can make the transaction, and now we will look and see all the clients that have been registered. And we see that our client has an ID of 7. So we need to use an ID of 7 here. In this client form, we will use the client ID as a hex encoded value. And we will also copy the client ID here. And we will use the implicit flow for single page applications as an example. So now we can send this OAuth2 authorization request, and we are redirected to the login page from the Mythos blockchain. So what happens now is that we need to log in, and we do this by signing a message with our wallet, in this case Kepler. We sign this message, the signature and the public key are automatically filled in, and now we can log in. Now we are redirected to the authorization page where we authorize the client. We allow this, and the process was a success. We are redirected to the client's callback page where the OAuth login finishes successfully with an access token. So today you have seen a demonstration of controlling your digital identity through a blockchain that can provide identity services.